Welcome to this course. My name is Nodim and I'm going to be your instructor. So this course promises to teach you how to build a well-designed, beautiful and functional ride-sharing application like Uber and LYFT, okay? But don't take my word for it. My computer is over there, so we're gonna go there and see exactly what we're going to be building together in this course. And that's not just all. You're going to be learning a ton of other concepts that will help you in building other applications. So guys, let's go see it. Okay, this is the rider app and this is the driver app. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into the riders app. I'm gonna log into the drivers app. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on login. Click on login. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on allow. Click on allow. So guys, by the left we have our riders app and on the right we have our drivers app. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is to send our driver online so that he can start receiving trip requests. Okay, so our driver is currently online. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to make a trip request from my riders app. So I'm going to impute my location, my pickup location, and I'm going to impute my destination. So now that we have both, this is my pickup location and this is my destination and this is my estimate. So this is the estimated duration for the trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and request a cab. And this is the request. Our driver has received the request. So we're gonna go ahead and accept this trip. Boom. So our driver is 16 minutes away from us. So this is our current location and we have to travel down to go and pick up our rider. So on the driver's app, we have to travel from this point to the pickup location. So this is the pickup location. This is where we're currently at. So we need to travel from this point to go and pick up our rider here. So because this is an emulator, I've done a kind of a hackery to simulate the movement from our current location to our pickup location. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy the location coordinates of the points from this point to this point. So these are all the location coordinates from our current location to our pickup location. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to manually impute position 40, alright? That means that our new current location will be at position 40. So I'm going to copy the latitude value and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to copy the longitude value and I'll paste it here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send in this location coordinates so we can see the impact it's having on both apps. Alright, so I'm going to click on send. So as you can see, our driver has started moving. So you can see the movement. So now it's 14 minutes away from rider. So this is being updated as well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to update the location again with position 100. So I'm going to copy the latitude value. I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to copy the longitude value. I'm going to paste it here. So if you're actually using a physical device, what you actually need to do is you need to get moving, right? Because this is a location based app, so you need to move from one place to the other. So what we're actually doing here is to simulate the movement from the current location to the pickup location. So guys, back to business. I'm going to go ahead and click on send button and this will update our location again. So if you're actually moving with a physical device, we're supposed to be moving along this line because I'm jumping from one location to the other. So that's why it's moving outside the line. So you can see the current location update and you can see that here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to impute the last location point, which is point 149 rather. So I'm going to copy the latitude, paste it here, and the longitude. I paste it here. Okay, so you can see that we've gotten to our pickup location. So we are 1 minute away from rider, and this is our driver is 1 minute away. So when we are at this point, what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on arrived pickup. So as soon as we clicked on arrived, as you can see, traffic has been activated on our map, and also our riders app was notified. You can also see it on the status test as driver arrived. So the next thing we need to do will be to go on our trip, and it's very simple. We're just going to go ahead and click on start trip. Bam, and our trip has started. So the same thing we did, we're going to go ahead and copy all the location points from our pickup location to our destination. So the location points from our pickup location to our destination is 110. So I'm going to go ahead and manually seed in position 40. All right, so I'm going to paste the latitude value and the longitude value. Okay, so the movements have started. So we are currently moving to our destination, so we can see the updates on both sides. So to ensure that we are really quick about this, I'm going to go ahead and copy the last location point, and I'm going to impute it manually. So this is the last location point, this is the latitude, and this is the longitude. Okay, so that I don't forget, we can also get a step-by-step direction with Google navigation by clicking on this button. It will open Google navigation, and we can get step-by-step direction to our destination. Okay, so this is Google navigation. So this app will always tell you what to do, whether to turn left or to turn right, like what to do at every moment until you get to your destination. So we're going to go ahead and close this up. So we're going to send this in. Boom, that was pretty fast. So when we get to our destination, we can go ahead and end the trip. But before I do that, I want to show us that we can also make a call. If we want to call our rider, we can do that by clicking on this call button. And this is our rider's phone number. We can go ahead and place a call. So this feature actually comes in handy when you arrive your pickup location. You might want to call your rider and ask him or her to come along that you've arrived, in case he didn't get the notification. Okay, so now that I've gotten to a destination, we're going to go ahead and click on end trip. Okay, boom. So this is the amount we're going to pay, $120. And on the rider side, we will see the $120 as well. So we're going to go ahead and make payment here, and we're going to go ahead and collect payment here. So guys, we've successfully taken a trip on our Uber clone application. So the rider app and the driver app has also been resetted, right? So on the rider's app, you can go ahead and take a new ride, and on the driver's app, you can also receive new requests. I'm certain that these really interest you. And besides this, there's a couple of other features that we have. You can see some incredible designs that we have here as well. So guys, it's really going to be an incredible and fun process. So enroll in this course, and I will see you in the next class.